everyone, this is Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita Studies. It is already a brand new year, so wish you all a very happy new year. Most of us are gearing up for the parties and events that are lined up in the first month of this year, and parties and events, be them virtual or social, call for new hairstyles. And hairstyles at times need you to use several heat tools to make your hair look even more glamorous. And to be honest, girls, heat tools, be them blow dryers or curling tongs or even a flat iron, can make your hair go very brittle and dry. Guys, our hair is structurally made of protein and lipid building blocks which get damaged in the course of time due to excessive coloring, heat styling and chemical treatments. Well, this is the reason that every time you get any heat treatment done or any hair color, your hair turns dry, frizzy and get very prone to breakage and split ends. It is thus essential to prep and strengthen your hair well in advance before you go for any such styling or chemical treatments. So in this video, I'm going to share a few tips on how to prepare your hair prior to any hairstyle or heat tool. Now this is the routine that I personally follow. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. And I'm also going to share a very cute and quick hairstyle that you can flaunt in any of your parties. So let's quickly begin. I personally prefer using coconut based hair oil all over my hair prior to such heat tools, simply because it is very different than all other hair oils and has a very unique chemistry. Its straight chain, small size triglyceride molecules penetrate deep inside the hair strands and fill the internal cavities that were made because of excessive heat. It thus makes the hair very strong from inside. Applying on the scalp section by section. Now, coconut based hair oil is very rich in lauric acid and MCTs that are proven to improve scalp health and control dandruff and dryness. Don't forget to cover the lens and the hair tips as well, because they get damaged very easily in the process of heat and color treatments. We usually just focus on the scalp and leave out the lens and the tips. Once properly oiled, I make it a point to steam the hair. Steaming opens up the scalp pores and helps with better absorption of oil and nourishment. Stronger the hair, the better it deals with heat damage. After steaming, you can let the oil remain in your hair overnight or at least for 2 to 3 hours, and later shampoo and condition as you always do. After washing, I'm going to towel dry the hair before it is fully prepared for any heat styling. Also people, it is very important to use a heat protectant to minimize any kind of damage that might occur due to heat, chemicals and even harsh lights. I'm just taking a few drops of coconut based hair oil and gently apply on the hair tips. And trust me people, it works wonderfully as a heat protectant, and it is also very effective for detangling. Actually, the lubrication that you get from coconut based hair oil makes it very easy to do away with all the knots and tangles. Now my hair is fully prepared and I'm using a hot comb to smooth out my waves. Guys, honestly, I do have these soft waves that I prefer to smooth down with a hot comb or maybe a gentle blow dry, just because they get all over my face. As you can probably tell, preparing the hair in advance has made it easier to handle. Now I can very well go for heat curls without worrying too much about the damage. Coconut based hair oil does make a huge difference in hair porosity level as well. And as promised, I'm going to show a quick and easy hairstyle that you can wear to your bestie's engagement or wedding. Just braid a small portion of the front hair like so. And fix it at the back. Now repeat on the other side as well. Add a sparkly accessory at the center to give the hair a glamorous pop of glitter. You can always wear the hair like this as well, it looks very elegant. But if you wish to jazz up things, then you may just add a few pins in the braid like so. It will really make your hair stand out in the crowd. So my angels, this is how you can prepare your hair naturally for all heat styling without having to worry too much about the heat damage. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.